The birdies. Look at them go. Look at them birdies go. Whew. Look at them birds, bro. Look at all those birds flying from here. Oh, don't do that. Like that? My Goofster brother feeding a birdie.
Laugh again, baby.
What are you doing? Yeah. Hey, shoot! Cockatoos do not like to be petted, LOL. Look at all those birds, bro. That patience is waning. My metal pipe is waning. The metal pipe is not waiting within the next 6 hours. Please consult the mechanic. Someone who sings like that should be dragged into the All done, bro. All done.
There's one more thing that we do.